Your attitude out there is making a difficult situation even worse.
My only concern is Jake's well-being, nothing else.
Well-being? How? By insulting his parents?
Those issues needed to be discussed,
You could have done it with a little more tact.
perhaps. But it doesn't change the fact that those people out there may not be suitable guardians for Jake.
Those people you're referring to just happen to be his mother and father.
Which doesn't guarantee that they are making the right decision for him. Our school is far more suitable for him than Vincent High. I'm sure you can agree with that.
That's not an option, or you're called to make.
Are you saying that you're removing him from our school?
That's not what I'm saying.
So he can get into fights in the other school every day?
What makes you so sure that's going to happen?
I'm not sure.